Hey, it's John Kelly from America's Home Place, coming to you from Anderson, South Carolina, just off of a main highway, so you may hear a little road noise in the background. However, we're going to talk to you today about the front of your house. A lot of times we get asked, how can we personalize the front of the home? Well, today I have a great example behind me of what you can do to make your house your way. Let's take a look. So on this particular house, they've blended a standard siding that runs side to side, or a lapped siding, and they've also complemented it with this brown board and batten siding that you're seeing above it, and also some stone on the front. So by mixing 3 different elements all in one house, you're able to bring some of that earth tone, brown, green, and the stone, and kind of blend it in with the surroundings. Something you can be proud of after a long day at work, driving home, first impression, friends come over. This is your house, your way. And that's what we do at America's Home Place. To find out more, come see us in Anderson showroom or online at americashomeplace.com. Thanks.